What's up, guys? Welcome back. Goku and Vegeta, Ultra Instinct, Ultra Ego, Split Portrait. First thing you gotta do, divide your page in half. Easiest way to do this is like fold your page in half and you'll get to your center line. And then you can draw your line down. So I'll just do that now. So whatever type of line you want to do, it can be super thick, it can be scratchy, you know, you could do like a stylized sort of thing. But we'll just go with simple and straight. W in the middle of the forehead, right? So we'll just start sort of with that W, right? So both sides, right? And then Vegeta's eyebrow, or lack of eyebrow, curves out from there. Cross, down, up, back up for his temple, that way. So he doesn't have eyebrows, right? So you just add this sort of shape. Dragonball eye, small line, perpendicular to the eyebrow, so it comes out this way, like there's a 90-degree angle here. And then this one goes diagonally, the long line, and then you just curve them together, like so. Eye, half circle, iris, just there. Pupil, half circle, there, colored black. Cheek marks, like so. So I'm going to do like their mouths and their nose as the one thing, right? So you can just see on this side, say, so it'll come down, just kind of hook and up like that. And then the shadow underneath goes over to Goku's side. Right, like so. And then the mouth, grumpy, real close to the nose. So his chin then, so same as Goku's, comes across like so. And then the jaw, stopping about mouth level, okay? Mouth level, or like the bottom of the nose area, right? Because that's where you change direction and go up. You don't keep going that way. You got to go up towards his eyebrow, sort of the edge of the eyebrow, just up there. And then we can see his sideburn just here. Maybe some lines on the edge of that. And the sideburn is also his ear, starts of his ear. Ear, big ears in Dragon Ball, so it comes out, down, and we have an earring. So it got a destruction kind of thing. And his earlobe, just there. And then ear lines inside. So as much of these now as you want. Lots of different ways of doing it. And then his hairline, so it goes up, around, and down to a V down here. And if you want, you can rough him up. You can have like scratches on him and stuff, because when he's in this form, he like gets stronger as you beat him up and stuff. So his hair coming out from behind his ear, starting with short spikes, gradually getting bigger as we go up towards the center. I like to think of a candle flame sort of when I'm doing it, so it kind of like curves similar to that. I think that one just goes off the page, and there's another one just here. Maybe this one might come back down into there. And the other side of this goes up that way. Okay, and then his neck coming down here, trapezius, there. Neck muscle that way, and he's got that sort of shoulder armor. Do you know that sort of stuff here? And then his shoulder, sort of big round shoulder coming out that way. And this armor that comes across So maybe like a chest muscle just coming across here. And then that armor. Like so. And then the center, just follow that line again. Remember, if I go too fast, hit pause. Okay. And then on the edge here, so we got these sorts of lines. So coming across like that. And then maybe some shoulder muscle, like deltoid muscles, you know, because you've got the front deltoid, the rear deltoid, there's 3 of them, maybe like some tricep or something here. And of course we can give him like aura. So he's got this kind of oozing, when he's in this form anyway. Kind of dark aura. Right, gone off that way. And that's Vegeta, so now we're going to do Goku. So, same sort of thing again. Eyebrow, drawn in this time. In Ultra Instinct. This is the silver-haired Ultra Instinct, not true Ultra Instinct. Then the eye, same as Vegeta's, so we got a long line, small line. Join it together, like so. And then his eye, so we'll give him, the picture I'm drawing from, kind of big round eyes. His Vegeta's like under here, but we'll go with Goku like this, just to change it up a little bit. Touching more at the bottom eyelid line. And then pupil there. And then cheek lines, hatching, just there. And with the nose and mouth done, so then just with the jaw coming up, stop about mouth level, and just in the corner of his eyebrow, that's where you change direction, up the side of his head. So then Goku's hair, so he's got like hair spikes that come down across his eye. Right, and like his fringe, you know, here. He's got one that goes up this way, I think, like a big one at the front. His ear here comes out from underneath. And then like some ear lines inside. And then the rest of that hair, so another small hair spike here. Big one here. And then this is like the biggest one, but it'll go off the top. Back down. Another one there. They have texture on their hair as well. So like texture lines in Dragon Ball are just this kind of thing. Follow each sort of hair spike. And you can do as much as you want. There's no sort of rule with that. You just do as much as you feel. I've seen drawings with loads. I've seen drawings with barely any. I've seen drawings with none. So we'll do some on Vegeta as well, actually. Okay, and then Goku's anatomy, so he's just neck muscle. Right, and then neck muscle going that way towards the center. Chest muscle comes across, down. You could have some muscle fibers there. Trapezius. Another sort of shoulder muscle or something, the way his shoulder connects to his chest, and then shoulder comes out like so, real wide. And then again, some deltoid muscles there. And as well, if you want to like put them all scratched up, what's Ultra Instinct aura like actually? One second, I'll be back. I have to find an image of his aura. Oh yeah, well it's kind of like this actually, but it's got like blobs and spikes and stuff. So it's like this, like liquid blue and purple and that, and then you'll have sort of drips and stuff coming off it. Right, but that's it. Ultra Instinct and Ultra Ego split portrait. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.